Hello world, hope you all are doing great and enjoying this Indian festive season with full of joy and happiness. Festival of Lights is called as Diwali, and Diwali is incomplete without sweets and desserts. So today I'm going to share one of the best dessert recipe which is unbelievable. So once again, hello world, Akash here, and today I'm going to share one of the best baked lemon rice dessert recipe. And the best part about this recipe is that it got a perfect balance of lemon and sweet, and it's gonna fill your Diwali with joy. So the idea is to make the gorgeous custard with egg and cream mixture, and then we'll bake that in the oven with Arborio rice straight away. At first, it sounds very overwhelming, right? But if you follow me, it's gonna be very easy. At first, we'll cook the Arborio rice. Arborio is a short grain Italian rice named after Arborio, which is situated in Piedmont region of Italy. We'll cook the rice real quick. We'll start with 250 ml of water, 300 grams of Arborio rice straight in the pan. We'll cook this for 10 minutes in a medium heat. Our rice is cooking now. We'll make a quick cream mixture. So I had added 500 ml of thickened cream. Now we'll add 250 ml of full cream milk, 110 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Don't forget to stir the rice in the meantime, otherwise it's going to stick in the bottom. And now let's make a quick lemon zest for our cream mixture. So we'll use only half of the lemon for the zest. We have to grate it from thin part from this side here. This little zest will make a big difference. Our rice is cooked 80% done, and rest we're gonna bake it with our cream mixture. Now we'll keep it aside. We need to boil this cream, zest and sugar mixture, and need to make sure that we stir it all the time, or else it gets stick very quickly. We'll make a quick egg mix, so we'll add 2 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. Now it's time for the egg yolks. All the eggs are here. Now we'll give a quick whisk. To make a nice and frothy mixture, you have to whisk it continuously for 4 to 5 minutes. Hands started paining, but it's gonna be worth it. Now our cream mixture is ready. We'll slowly add the egg batter and give a quick whisk. And we need to be very careful. Slowly the egg mixture will go in the milk. We need to focus here because this is a very important stage, and we're gonna get a nice custard from here. Look at this nice, creamy and frothy custard. Once this custard is ready, you're almost there. Apply some butter so that it won't stick in the baking tray. Now the cooked rice. We'll add some beautiful mixed berries. And we'll save some for garnish. Now we'll add the custard. Now we'll do a water bath baking. We'll pour the water in a big tray. And then we'll keep the baking tray in the middle. This is a very delicate dessert, so water bath gonna save our custard while it's baking. We'll bake our dessert in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Look guys, we got a very nice pudding and I'm very much excited about this. So let's do a quick garnish and eat it. Some nice mixed berries on the top. Some nice and fresh nutmeg on the top. Just a little. We're trying to cover all the sides. Now look at this gorgeous baked lemon and rice pudding, and we got a very nice color. Please try this recipe at home during Diwali and let me know how it came out in comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. So please like, share, subscribe and comment for more upcoming recipes coming up. Thank you.